In today's session, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of submitting a Suspicious Activity Report, or SAR, on the UAE's goAML platform. Whether you're a compliance officer or a reporting entity, this guide will help you file correctly and avoid common mistakes. An SAR must be filed when your institution detects a transaction or activity that raises suspicion of money laundering, terrorist financing, or other financial crime. The goal is to ensure timely reporting to the UAE Financial Intelligence Unit, in line with regulatory obligations. Start by logging into the goAML portal with your registered credentials. Once inside, you'll see different options to raise an SAR XML upload, suitable for integrated reporting systems. Web reports, a user-friendly option to manually file reports directly on the platform. Whether you use XML or web reports, ensure all mandatory fields are completed. These typically include details of the reporting entity, information about the customer or subject involved, description of the suspicious activity or transaction, and reason for suspicion, with as much detail as possible. Supporting evidence strengthens your SAR. Upload relevant documents such as transaction records, identification documents, or internal investigation notes. Ensure that files are in the accepted format and are clear for review. After completing all sections, click Submit. You can then monitor your SAR status under My Reports in the portal. If corrections are needed, the system will flag them and you can resubmit. Some frequent mistakes include leaving mandatory fields blank, providing vague or incomplete descriptions, uploading unreadable or incorrect file types, and submitting duplicate reports. Avoiding these errors will ensure smoother processing of your SARs. Submitting an SAR on goAML is more than a compliance requirement. It's a key part of safeguarding the UAE's financial system. Prepare your information carefully, file on time, and always check your submission status.